Hi there. So today I'm going to cover a very interesting topic and I will try to cover it with more fun because this is something that I used to do and I still do. And now only that through awareness I have reduced the amount of time and gap, and I'm sure it happens with everyone. I have my clients with whom it happens and I know and I quickly make them aware of it. So the topic is that how goal achievers procrastinate. So you will ask me, how come goal achievers can procrastinate? Yes, they can procrastinate. They procrastinate in many ways. The first way of procrastination of goal achievers is that they are busy doing the things laid out in their plan, but they are not important. It can be those small nitty gritty things that are not much important, but they are busy doing that because they don't want to take the next step. Okay, and I'll come to that why it is like that, why they're not taking that step. But they are busy and they're disguising, thinking that I'm busy, I still have to complete this step. So it can happen. This excuse can come, oh, it's still not perfect, oh, the designing is still there, I have to still keep on designing. It could be any small ebook, or it could be anything that they have to which is already complete, but they are still perfecting on the design, on the script or anything, but they are not taking that next step. Okay, so that's like you're procrastinating, but you are looking busy and you are busy. The second kind of procrastination is that you have achieved all the milestones, all the small goals, which will make you take the final step. But when you come closer, okay, maybe it's your last or the second last milestone, you are not finishing the last milestone. Why? Because you are having a fear. It could be a presentation, it could be stage fear, it could be your launch, a business launch, it could be any sort of a launch for which you have some kind of fear, and it could be any irrational fear. Trust me, they are not rational fears. So it could be anything that is stopping you, and because of that, you lose 1 week, 2 week, a great amount of time by not doing the last step of your goal, so that you can finish it and finally perform, finish it and finally get the result. Okay, so that's how goal achievers procrastinate. They will do all the tiny steps, they will do all the milestones, but at the last they will stop, and that is where they will say, oh, I have not completed this milestone, and that is why I'm not able to take the last step. So if that rings a bell in you, think about self reflect. What is that fear? What are you scared of, and what is that thing which is stopping you? It could be a fear, it could be anything which you are afraid of, or you want to save yourself from any embarrassment or anything. Think about it, self reflect, and come up with the solutions by evaluating the rationality of your fear, by facing your fear, by questioning how rational it is, and by seeing other examples of how others have done it. You can even talk to a person who has already done it. And what if your fear is rational, and at the end of the day you are going to fail? What if even you are about to fail? I would say fail fast, start fast. Okay, so that's my tip. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're liking the content, hit like and subscribe my channel, and definitely join my free mastermind session where I share with you the whole system of success, step-by-step system in correct sequence that is laid out by me, which even I follow. So definitely meet me there. See you there. Bye-bye.